Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you a really interesting strategy which you can utilize and make a lot of money. And the thing is that the strategy has a very low competition, so there won't be much competition for you, and that's the reason why you can grow a vast audience in the strategy and make a lot of money, and you can be the first one to jump into the strategy utilizing what I'm going to show you in this video. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important and you are very eager to make some money online. So now let's jump into the content. So the first thing is that you just have to go to this website. This is known as mythemeshop.com. Okay, in this website they are selling themes for website, for WordPress websites. Okay, so we are not interested in buying or selling themes, but we are interested in promoting themes as an affiliate. So what we are going to do is you just have to do is go to the bottom of this website and sign up for its affiliate program. Okay, so it's a very great affiliate program of this website which you can promote really speedily and really fast. Okay, and you can make a lot of money just by utilizing this simple strategy. Okay, so the first thing is just go to this website and just sign up for the affiliate program and get your affiliate link. The first step of yours is completed if you have done this. Okay, the next step is going to be really interesting. Now it will take some time to earn money with this strategy, but in the long run you are gonna make a lot of money. So just understand what I'm gonna tell you in this video. Okay, the second step is that you have to go to Instagram and you have to create a page just like this. Okay, so you can see that this is a page where they show all about the website designs. Okay, so here you can see there are a lot of website designs which these people are showcasing over here. Okay, and they are probably promoting all this awesome themes. Okay, you can see there's so many beautiful themes and the pages of those themes which they are promoting over here. You can see a lot of themes. Okay, now you can also create and replicate a page just like this. Okay, and start promoting themes utilizing this page. Okay, all you need to do is to give the link in the bio. Okay, now if you are going to give a link in the bio, you must provide some value to the people, and you can utilize a page. You can utilizing linktree.com. Okay, it is a landing page builder available absolutely for free, so you can promote multiple themes at a time. Okay, so you can utilize that website, okay, which is known as linktree.com. Most of the Instagrammers use that website to create landing pages. Okay, and you can promote 5 to 10 themes at a time utilizing this method. Okay, and what I'm going to say is that keep changing your themes and just keep changing day by day, as more and more traffic will come to this page and they would be interested in different themes. Okay, so just keep changing the links, or I definitely suggest that you should create a small website for this type of page and you should drive traffic to this page. In that small website you have to provide all the affiliate links of the themes which you are currently promoting. Okay, now it may cost $10 to $50 to make such a website. You can just hire someone from the fiverr.com and just ask him to create a small 2-page website for you. In the first page you will be providing a top 10 list of the themes, and in the second page you would be providing top 10 hosting affiliate programs. Okay, so in the just when someone clicks here, he will find these two articles. In the first article he will find top 10 best themes, and in the second article he will find the best hosting platform. Okay, and that's why how you are gonna grow your audience on Instagram. Okay, now this is the first thing which is done. Now you need the photographs, you need this themes, photographs of this theme. Now all you need to do is go to this website, my theme shop. There are lots and lots of themes. All you need to do is just go to over here, and if you are having a Windows computer, then just go and search for snipping tool. Okay, now snipping tool is something with which you can take screenshots, okay, in your computer, And now what you have to do is just find a theme which you want to promote, take a screenshot of that theme, and then upload that content to Instagram. Okay, that's really simple. And the thing why I am telling you about the strategy is that because very less people are doing this strategy on Instagram, because most of the people are probably not doing this stuff on Instagram, and that's the reason why you have a lot of potential to grow large, because not many people are doing this, and that's the reason you are gonna make a lot of money with this strategy. Okay, so all you need to do is provide the website. See, all you need to do is upload screenshots of the themes, and you can see this, all these themes look so beautiful, and this page also looks very beautiful, and your page would also look very beautiful. Just add some branding so that your page seems trustable to people. Okay, and after that all you need to do is just provide the affiliate link or the website. I just recommend that provide the website link over here so that you can just start promoting multiple products at a single time. Okay, because if you are promoting a single theme at a time, that won't be much beneficial. But if you are promoting a website, then you can place thousands of affiliate links in that particular website and make a lot of money. Okay, that's really important. As due to this unfortunate situations, which I'm not gonna take the name because I don't want to demonetize this video, but due to this unfortunate situations, many of the people are searching for work from home, and due to the reason they are much interested in website design, and this is something which you can leverage on Instagram and start making money. Because I know that YouTube is not for everyone, not everyone is interested in making videos or maybe able to create videos, but Instagram page is something which is really very simple and anyone can grow it. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to record any videos. All you need to do is upload a simple content to your Instagram page, and you can start making a lot of money just day by day. And as your Instagram grows after some time, then you will get a lot of sponsorships, so that you can just promote a simple one theme on your website, and other websites will pay you for shout outs. Okay, so that's also something which you can do and make a lot of money just by giving shout outs to other websites or this theme websites which are eager to promote their themes. Okay, so this is something which is unsaturated on Instagram, so I highly recommend that just go and jump into this market and start generating loads of money, because this is really gonna work and make you a lot of money. But for the honest reason, I personally am not promoting this type of stuff for now. Okay, I'm not promoting this type of stuff because I have been busy in promoting some other products, but you can definitely leverage upon this strategy and you will get the first mover advantage. Okay, so the one who starts the particular type of thing first gets the most of the money and most of the audience. So very less people are doing this, and that's the reason why you have a lot of potential to make a lot of money utilizing this very simple strategy. Because you don't need to create any content, you don't need to write any stuff. All you need to do is write this bio and create this website. You can create it yourself or hire someone to create this, create one logo, and all this stuff is available ready made on the internet. All you need to do is take screenshots of this stuff and start uploading to over here and provide your affiliate links over here, and that's it. You have started making some money. Okay, that's really simple, that's really easy. Anyone can do this and make a lot of money. But I'm gonna say that it may take some time to grow your Instagram page, but it's worth it, and you are gonna get a lot of money with this. So if you like this video, just press the like button. If you like this unique strategy, just press the subscribe button, so that I can come up with daily this type of awesome videos. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.